Greetings, class. We've been working on our civil rights article and looking at the main idea. So you're going to need your article, which is in the Turnitin box. Make sure you go grab it. Once you have your article, make sure you also have your main idea. Now remember, we put Post-it notes on this so that we could kind of play around with the idea before we settled on it and made sure it was right. You should already have your names, article title, the date of the event, and now we're just going to check our main idea. To check your main idea, there is a link in this Google Classroom beneath this that gives you all of the main ideas. And this is a way I really do want you to check your answers. So here you have the title, whether it's primary or secondary, the date, and then we have the main idea listed. Now, your main idea does not have to be exact or word for word, but it needs to express the similar idea. So you'll need to look at your Post-it note and see how it is. So this one right here that I was looking at was the Martin Luther King I Have a Dream speech. So when I go down here and look at it, it was a primary source document. It happened on August 28, 1963, and the main idea is all people deserve freedom. I found this out by looking at the first paragraph and the editor's note, and also at the last paragraph. If I had said this differently, I might have said that both black and white people deserve freedom, but I can also say all people because in the very last paragraph, Martin Luther King says, all God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, free at last, free at last. So there's a lot that points here that we all deserve freedom, or you might have put that all people deserve equal rights. Both of those would have been great. So look at your main idea, what you have on your Post-it, check and see if it's similar. And if it's completely different, reread the first and last paragraph and see if you can put the main idea in your own words. The last thing that you'll need to do, and this part I don't have you to check, is the last 3 spots are for you to put the supporting details. Now, you have the main idea. You know what the article is mostly about. Can you pull 3 facts from your article that prove that? Now, this article was about all people deserving freedom, and so I would not need to find 3 times that Martin Luther King said something about people needing freedom. And so I would find those 3 things, 3 sentences, one here, here, and here, and put them down. Once you have checked that yours is correct, you've added your supporting details, you are done. Thanks. Bye.